Hi everyone. I am about to do my daughter's, well, one of them, both of them actually, box braids. They want box braids. So what I did, I've already washed her hair 2 days ago, and what I did was to hold the moisture to give me a head start on today. I just plaited it up and lock the moisture in, so her scalp is clean, everything is clean. So I'm going to use the detangler to help with detangling her hair, get the kinks and curls out, and we're gonna go from there. Alright, come on, bottom. And as you see, this is the Dollar General brand of kids detangler, and I've used this before. Actually, I used to use this as she was growing, and as you see, she has long hair. Both of them actually has a real good grade of hair, and Nevaeh's tangles a lot versus my other daughter, my baby girl. You can say hi. You can say hi.
Hey.
So we're gonna work this detangler in, like I said, and smooth her hair strands out so we can get started, and I will come back to you all momentarily. As I'm doing this, I want to review this. This is a real good brand of detangler, but as you see, it's so hard to use it properly. So I'm having to hold it like this to get a good spray. So this is my big teeth comb, and you always want to start at the end when you're detangling. You don't want to start up here because it can actually pull strands of hair out. So you start at the end and you work your way up. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to go ahead and get started, and we will be back. Okay, I told you that we'll be back. What I've done was I've sectioned off everything and I've plaited to help me out. I've moisturized because as you see, this is a head of long, thick hair. So, praise the Lord. All right. So, see y'all in a moment.